What's poppin' peeps? I'm Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet. For those of you who don't know, I talk about real issues in our society with a twist of comedy. Let's dive right in. This is E.D.S, Everyday Situations, Motivation with a twist of comedy. This crackhead tried to sell me a stroller the other day, and I told him, I don't even have a baby. And he said,
give me like 2 hours. I'm gonna get you the baby to go with it.
Speaking of that, I changed my life for these damn kids, and they don't even give a fuck. The best lie you ever heard was, eat all your food so you can be big and strong. Now look at you. Just big. Who else grew up in a house where you ate what your mama cooked or you won't eat at all? Just ask this landlord, how's the neighborhood? And he gonna say, can your children fight? $150 for a field trip? These kids must be going to see Glorilla. I don't know which one of my women's cousins need to hear this, but y'all better stop crying over these niggas who had 1 teacher and 7 classmates. Oh, and another thing, ladies. Y'all keep making children with these old ass men and be wondering why the baby be crying all night. They have arthritis. You know what I noticed? We all could have been in a condom or on somebody's back or on a rag. But we're here. I just got the job at CPS. If any of y'all want your kids back, cash at me. Anything's possible for a small fee. I don't know which step stud needs to hear this, but that girl ain't gay. She just needs you to help her with them damn kids. I just heard 2 lesbians arguing next door, and one of them gonna say, well, if you ain't cheap, let me smell your mouth. We found out my homeboy E.D.S, now he gotta drink out of a cup with his name on it. I feel like helping bitches today. Send me your kids' shoes and clothes size so I can send it to their daddy. Something else I noticed. Dudes be locked up for not paying child support talking about, man, I ain't even do nothing. We know. That's what the paperwork says. Something else I noticed. Niggas will spend $200 on lean and perks just to doze off. Nigga, sleep is free. Speaking of perks, the doctor always trying to give a nigga ibuprofen. Nigga, I need something I can sell. Doc gonna tell me I need to eat 3 meals a day. So I told him, write me out a prescription for food stamps then. Somebody need to break in Popeyes and put some water on them biscuits. I don't know which one of my cousins this is for, but your covers stink because you keep sleeping naked. I really wish this bitch would change her clothes. She got me thinking today is yesterday. I had a question. Y'all ever been to somebody's house and lost track of the roach you was watching? Why people with roaches always blame the people upstairs? I don't know which one of my cousins need to hear this, but if you got bugs, I'ma need you to say that when I ask who all over there. I'm just gonna leave y'all with this. It's Tuesday, June 2025. Focus on the positive, block out the negative, and do your best. And let God handle the rest. Alright, cuzzies, that was cool or whatever. Y'all know I love kicking it with y'all, but I gotta bounce. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you smash that like, share, and subscribe button before you bounce. I would love to have you as a sub. Y'all already know my spiel. If you out there getting them shitcoins, baby, be safe. Make sure you drink some water. And make sure you mind the business that pays you. In the meantime, between time, it's your favorite cousin, Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet, aka the Highway Honey. Namaste.